Please note this call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
Thank you for calling. Please continue to hold for the next available agent.
Thank you for calling support. This is Casper. Can I have your first and last name, please?
Sure. First name is Warren, Warren. Middle initial G. Last name Harding, Harding.
All right, Ms. Harding, how can I help you today?
Well, I was trying to purchase a McAfee antivirus, and I got a website saying with this phone number on it to purchase it. So I'd like to do that. Hello?
Can I go ahead and confirm? Right now, are you with your computer?
Yeah, I am. Yep.
Oh, wonderful. So we'll go ahead and help you get it updated. May I request you to go ahead and open up Google?
Sure. You're gonna have to speak up. We got quite a thunderstorm going here.
Okay.
I don't know if you can hear
is
it,
it okay?
hear it in
Am
the
I
background, but it's getting.
I can hear you quite well, sir.
Okay, super duper. Go ahead. I'm in front of my computer and I opened up. Well,
Open
actually,
google.com.
does it have to be Google? I have Firefox open, but I can open Google Chrome.
Firefox is fine, sir.
Okay.
Firefox is fine.
Okay.
Oh, Google, I want you to go ahead and type in www.support.me.
Okay.
SUPPORT, support.
Okay. I did that.
.me, M as in Mike, E as in Echo.
Got it. Okay, it pulls up a kind of a pale blue
Support
box.
connection, it says that.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
That's right. It's looking for a 6-digit code or something.
Wonderful. I'm going ahead sharing your code.
Okay.
Your code that you need to go ahead and type in over there would be your code is 464
464
567.
567. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Click
then-
on start download.
Okay, I did that. And okay, it downloaded something.
Run the file, please.
So I what do I do? Double click on it? It's pulling up a box that says support-logmeandrescue.exe.
That's correct. Make a
And
double
then
click
it's-
on that.
Okay, but then it looks like it wants to. I don't quite know what it wants to do here. It says open, extract, location. I don't quite understand what it's doing. I don't remember ever seeing a box
Alright,
like
do
this
me a
before.
favor, sir.
What?
To the top right side of your screen, there are 3 dots. You see the 3 dots there?
You mean on my
Top right side of your screen, below the red X, there should be 3 dots there.
Well, there's 3 lines. You mean for my Firefox settings?
That's correct. Correct. Click on that
Okay.
and click on download. There's something that should say downloads. Or possibly,
Okay.
since you're in Firefox, you might have an arrow key pointing upwards or downwards.
Yep, I did that. And it pulls up, then it says...
Now make a double click on the one, the support log me and rescue. I want you to make a double click on that.
double click, okay. Yeah, it did the same thing. It pulled up this window. I've never seen this window before. I don't know what it is.
What does it say, sir? Could you read it out? What does the window say?
Sure, it's support dash at the top. It says support dash logmein rescue.exe, and then underneath that it has four commands, I guess: archive, edit, view, help. And then underneath that it has open, extract, and then some
Click on open.
open. Okay. So I clicked on open, and it let's see. I don't know quite what to do now. It shows the folder. Double click on it again.
That's
Maybe?
okay.
No, I don't.
Probably. Let's try that.
Okay, yeah, nothing. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what's going on.
Okay. Have a look at your keyboard then, sir.
Okay,
Bottom row left hand side, you have a Windows key. Do you see the Windows key?
I do.
A key with four small squares.
Yep.
Press that key, hold it down, and press alphabet R. R as in Roger.
Okay. Okay, I did that. It pulls up that that window that's kind of a long rectangular window
Just type the name of a folder.
above Cortana
Correct.
there.
Just type the name of a folder doc. Correct. So is that empty or do you have a space to? Is that filled up or do you have space to type in something there?
No, it's empty. It's empty. I cleaned it out, cleared it out.
All right. So I want you to go ahead and type in over there.
Hmm. Type what?
HH space 1. That's hotel space 1.
HH space 1. Okay. Then what? Now what?
All right. Now on your screen, do you see a yellow question mark? Top right side, it might say HTML help or can't connect to this network. It says.
No, when I type in HH space 1, it pulls up Wikipedia article, and then Heil
Okay.
HH-1 Heil sound, and then carry audio,
Okay.
and then
It's HH space 1. Does it say HTML help? You don't see HTML help?
oh, did you say HH1 or something else? I typed
Yes,
in
sir. That's
I
HH space 1, like in
H
the space bar once.
yeah HH space bar 1, and it pulls up. It says see web results, and then you get a Wikipedia article.
Okay. Give me a minute, sir.
Okay.
All right. So then go ahead and have a look at your keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
Bottom row left hand side.
Yep.
Press the Windows key again.
Okay.
Okay. Press the Windows key, hold it down, press alphabet R.
Okay, I did. Yep.
R is in Roger.
Yep.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now you see the small box where you can type something in.
Yep. Yeah. It says
What do
open.
you have? What
In
open?
that
Okay.
box it says
Over.
nothing. Right. It's empty at the moment.
Okay. Over there, I want you to type HH space 1.
HH
Hotel space 1.
space 1. Okay. And then press enter or click on OK.
Click OK.
Okay. It pulls up HTML help, and underneath that it says can't reach this page.
All right. Now to the top left of this, there's a yellow question mark.
That's
Okay.
right. I see that. Yep.
All right. Now make a right click on the question mark. Okay.
Mhm. A right click.
And then, yes, right click on the question mark
Okay.
and click on jump to this URL.
Okay. All right. I did that.
Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Now when you click on jump to this URL, you might get a space to type something in, right?
Correct, yeah.
Alright, over here I want you to go ahead and type www dot
Right?
support support support
Okay.
dot me. M is in Mike, E is in Echo.
Okay. Okay, then what? Now what?
Now click OK.
Alright. It pulls up that blank page like we had before, the one asking for the 6 digits.
Correct, correct. Now I'm going ahead and giving you a new 6-digit. Okay.
Okay.
Your code is 147
147
626.
626. Got it. Now what? Start download again?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, I did that, right?
Correct.
It looks like it downloaded the same file we had before.
Okay, make a double click on this one. Now it should say run. You see that option?
Double clicking. No, I get the same box I did before.
Okay, what does it say now?
Well, it's exactly the same as before, you know, with the archive, edit, view, help, open, extract. I don't know what.
Click on open. Let's see. Try clicking on open.
Okay, clicked on open, and it looks like it opens up the downloads folder and shows 2 copies of the support.logmein rescue.exe.
Make a double click on the second one.
On the second one, okay. I did that, and it pulls up the same message we had before.
Okay.
Getting loud out there.
Give me a minute, sir.
Okay.
It's actually taking time. Alright. Okay.
Okay, hang on. I gotta leave the computer for a minute. Just a second.
I'll be waiting, sir. I'll be waiting. Sure.